guys, Lanian here again, and today I want to show you how to clean your electric kettle, or if you have a stovetop kettle, it's all the same. So when you open up your kettle, you can see the lime scales there. It's actually okay, you are not ingesting those, but of course we have to maintain our kettle, and if it builds up, it actually takes longer for our water to boil. So how do we do it? Just fill the kettle with water, about half of this kettle, and put a cup of white vinegar. And let it boil. So after boiling for the first time, just leave it and soak it for 20 minutes and then pour the water out. And for the last part, just pour in water for about half of this kettle. Boil it so that it will remove the smell and the taste of the vinegar. And then pour the water out, and then it's ready to use. And that's how simple and easy to clean your electric kettle or stovetop kettle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and please share it to your friends. Bye!